My passion is the reason for my existence. My success is the effect of my persistence. I've been doing this since '07. That's 14 years of my life, man. Now I'm 28. Let's do the math. Almost half of my life was dedicated to this music. I've been waking up by music, been sleeping down by music for more than a decade. I put all my passion, love, blood, sweat and tears for it. It was never easy to succeed to a certain level in this rap game, but I never stopped. In fact, I never ever hesitated in myself for doing this. I put all my confidence up high and straight hustle. Why? Cause I love music.
With them boys on the block, go hard in the paint like Flacco. My 9mm Glock, always with me, that's my partner. I'm living way too fast, like I'm a racing in NASCAR. Mi casa es su casa, you welcome to my hustle. Okay, I'm making all of these papers, blowing it up like vapors, cause that keeps me stable. Okay, we hit 'em high like Space Jam, sipping soju in K-Town. Shout out to my bro J-Bug. Okay.
Once my brother from another mother told me, never ever disrespect any music genre, cause they all had sacrificed a lot through these years to be on their current level. And this history is way bigger than your life. Music is my weapon when I feel threatened. Music is my medicine when I feel sick. Music is my role when I feel down. Music is my best friend when I feel lonely. You can uncage the things you can't express normally with the help of music.
They call me Young Django. I'm still chained by my Django. Okay. They call me Yellow Django. Money make me feel handsome. They call me Yellow Django. I'm ballin' like Carmelo, getting it like Flamingo. This Jello. They call me Yellow Django. I'm ballin' like Carmelo, getting it like Flamingo. This Jello. I'm reppin' my fellow.
And lastly, you don't work, you don't eat, you don't grind, you don't shine. Now get yourself and uncage your rock.
My G's moving in silence like silent jiggle.